You should not caulk over old silicone even if it looks mostly clean. Silicone sealant will not form a reliable bond to an existing silicone layer, so the correct approach is full removal followed by surface preparation. Start by softening the old silicone with a commercial silicone softener or a household solvent, such as isopropyl alcohol, applied sparingly to avoid damage to surrounding materials. Use a sharp utility knife at a low angle to cut the bulk from the joint. Then follow with a plastic scraper and a dedicated silicone removal tool to avoid scratching tile or metal. After mechanical removal, wipe the joint with isopropyl alcohol and allow it to dry fully for at least 24 hours if moisture is present. Porous substrates may need more time or a primer recommended by the sealant manufacturer. Ensure the mating surfaces are free of silicone residue by repeating the solvent wipe and testing with a fingernail. Any slippery film means more cleaning is required. When you are ready, apply a compatible sealant in one continuous motion using steady pressure. Tool the bead within 10 minutes using a damp finger or a shaping tool and allow full cure according to the product label, which is often 24 to 48 hours. Common mistakes start with trying to save time by caulking over existing silicone, which causes adhesion failure and early leaks. So always remove all old silicone completely before re-caulking. A second problem is inadequate surface drying, which traps moisture and prevents a proper cure, so always confirm surfaces are fully dry and, when in doubt, wait longer or use a fan to speed evaporation. A third frequent issue is using the wrong type of sealant, like applying a latex product where a silicone is required for flexibility and mold resistance. So match the sealant chemistry to the substrate and environment and follow the manufacturer's compatibility notes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find reviews relevant to recaulking, sealing, and other home repair tasks. And we highlight typical costs and common materials so you can prepare. We also help contractors find work and engage with our discussion community where professionals and homeowners share tips, product experiences, and practical step-by-step advice.